Come test drive the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.